Let's take an oath today. Own, secure, protect. Whenever we are doing work on internet, we should be very careful and we should protect our computer from any kind of harm, hacking, viruses, etc. That is our duty, that is our responsibility. The line between our online and offline lives is indistinguishable, means now every person is trying to become a digital citizen, and the gap is just finishing up now by using the technology these days. This corona has provided so much to the people that every person is just being diverted to it and taking the advantage of digital technology. But with the use of the technology, our great responsibility is there for its security. So the routine checkup and update of your privacy settings are also important to keep our data secure on these systems. Shake up your passphrase protocol. Create strong, unique passphrases. Means every time your password which you're creating should be strong. It should have numbers, alphabets, characters, special characters to have the strong password. Double click your login protection by turning on multi-factor authentication. Keep tabs on your apps, means your apps should also be protected. It should be also logged so that any of the virus, any of the hacker cannot give any harm to your devices. In these tech fueled times, our homes, our businesses, and our nation's security are impacted by the internet. Play hard to get. Spot and avoid phishing emails. Phishing emails are the mails sent by unknown sources to attract the user so that the person will open that mail and get hacked. Afterwards, it creates problem to the computer system. It can steal your important information, your password, your PIN numbers, your credentials, etc. If you connect, you must protect. Every devices, browsers and software should be updated. Means every time whenever you are connecting, your browsers, your softwares, whatever you are using should be updated. Be Wi-Fi aware. Stay protected while connected. Shop safe online. Anytime whenever you are just making online transactions, it should be made safely. You should scan your device. You should have antivirus software with you so that whatever transactions you will be making should be secure and safe. Accountability, security, best practices, and proactive behavior in digital privacy will make a difference. If you collect the information, you should protect it. Either it is in the any institution, organization, company,